Hi my dear friend, in this video we will talk about the typhoid fever causes as well as treatment. So please watch this video till end. So first of all we will talk about the typhoid fever causes. Typhoid fever occur due to infections and it is caused by bacteria like Salmonella typhi and it spreads primarily through contaminated food and water as well as through the poor sanitizations and poor maintaining hygiene. And sometimes typhoid fever can happen through the direct contact also, and it can spread from one person to another person also. These are the facts of typhoid fevers. So it's better to people maintain on self hygiene and drink clean water as well as eat hygiene food. Now we will talk about the medical treatment as per the doctor orders. During the typhoid fevers, patient can take antibiotic for prevention of infections as well as tablet paracetamol for reducing fever, and patient have dizziness or can't able to eat food. In these conditions, patient can take multivitamin and IV fluid also. These are the medical treatment for typhoid fever. Okay guys, if you want to watch like that videos, please subscribe my channel as well as share and like. Okay, thank you guys, take care, bye bye.